With so many devices being wireless charging capable, wireless chargers are becoming essential to own. I've got the Anker wireless charger stand here. I'm going to show you why this is a really good option. Let's go ahead and unbox it first. And as if we don't have enough of them, we do get a micro USB cable included with this, which will power the device. Next is the device itself. Let's go ahead and unwrap it. And on the rear is where we plug in the micro USB cable, so let's go ahead and do that. Let's go ahead and plug in the other end of the USB cable to a power supply. Now that it's plugged in, let's go ahead and see if it works. Perfect. I do really enjoy the slim design of this case as it allows me to see my phone while it's sitting there charging. Also, I will mention this is the iPhone XS Max, so this is the bigger phone and it does fit perfectly and charges perfectly fine on the charging stand. Towards the bottom of the stand, we do get a charging indicator, so when I do put my phone on to charge it, it does light up to let me know that it's charging properly. I'm very impressed with this charging stand from Anker. I will link it in the description box below if you want to pick one up for yourself. Thank you very much, and I'll see you guys on the next video.